Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with the last mushrooms in this size. Now next we're going to do the different sizes. So mushrooms 5 and 6. So here is the first one. I absolutely love it. So this is apple and oranges. This is Cozy Cafe. This is Pastel Paradise. This is Radiant Rainbow. This is Seasoned Spices. Summer Carnival. And exclusives for my patrons, we have Mint, which, oh, I love it. Okay, so mushroom number 6 is a little different because he did, you know, the ones that grow on the side of the trees. Somebody told me some countries call them elf shells. They're so cute. So this is apples and oranges, Cozy Cafe, Pastel Paradise, Radiant Rainbow, Seasoned Spices, Summer Carnival, and exclusive to patrons, to patrons, Mint. Now, I just want to show you all in one video, all 6 of them. So this is number 5. Oh, that's the same one. This is number 6. We got, this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3 and 4. I'm not sure which one is 3 and which one is 4. And then number 5 and number 6. And I can tell you that these overlay really well. These overlay really well. Like they overlay with each other so well. And I can't wait to have the different sizes too. And these overlay really well. These overlay really well. So it's nice to be able to interchange them. And because I like to put at least, you know, 2 in each of the clusters, and they worked and they work really well. I thought I'd show you a few examples of, you know, using the mushrooms on the pages. So you can put them alone. This one here was put alone on the page, and I really like how that turned out. And here's one that was put with the tall mushrooms. This was mushroom 1 and 2, and I really like how they overlay. And then this is mushroom 1 and 3 or 4. I can't, the long skinny one. This one here. And they overlay really well. It just looks so good. I love how they match together. And they only come in our assorted files. And I think that's going to be good. Like there's enough variety that you can mix and match. I will say that we will have single files of the brown, the peach, and maybe one other color. I can't remember, but that will be coming up in the next few weeks. But I can't wait to start using those on some clusters too. But that's it. These are the new mushrooms for this week, number 5 and 6. Here they are. Thanks for watching. Bye.